Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how we can remove certain characters from a string or a text and then get the remaining data. Now, for example, if you want to get only the first three letters from this particular text, you can use a left function, right? That is equal to left, and you can select this particular text and the number of characters you want to extract and click enter. See, you'll get the first three letters. But what if you want to remove the first three letters and then get all the other letters? You can't use a right function as well because you'll have to declare how many number of characters you want from the right side. That is not what we want now. We want to remove the first three letters of every string here and then get the remaining letters. So let's create a function for that, because unfortunately in Excel we do not have a function to do this particular requirement. So let's create a custom function to remove the number of characters from a string and get the remaining data from it. For that, let's go to the developer tab here and then click on Visual Basic. If you do not find developer tab in your Excel, you can right click on the ribbon here and press on customize the ribbon, and then go to developer here and check this and click on OK. Now, if you do not want to go here, then you can press Alt plus F11 and your Visual Basics will open. Let me click on Visual Basics here, and this is the Microsoft Visual Basic for applications. Now, the code editor window is not present here, so let's go to this white area which is called as the Project Explorer and right click here. Now, go to Insert and click on Module. Although there is sheet 1, workbook and all these things here, do not write your code in there because we are writing a function. The Excel will not call it as a function if you are writing it here. So let's write it inside a module. Let's start writing the function as public function and press space, and then let's give a name for our function. Let's give a name as remove uh, character. Yeah, remove character is the name of the function we gave. This looks like a too long name, so let's give remove chr. Okay, this is the name of the function that I gave. Now let's declare the argument. Now what is an argument? I'll give you an example of an argument. Let's go back to our worksheet here, and if I'm putting is equal to sum and I'm opening the bracket, I have number 1, number 2, all these things. So the input which we have to give inside is the argument. Let's see another function here, VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, and inside we have lookup value, table array, all these are the arguments. For our function, we need two arguments. One argument is the text we want to extract from, so that is one argument. And next one is the number of data we want to remove. So if I want to remove the first three letters, the number will be 3. If I want to remove the first two letters, the number will be 2. So let's declare two arguments here along with its data types. So the first argument is, let's put RNG as string. So RNG is just a random word I just gave here. You can use any word. So this data type is string because the text is a text, so it's not a date or anything. It's just random text. So I'll give string. Let's put comma. The next one is CNT. So the count of numbers we want to remove. So let's put the data type as long and close the bracket. Now, you can declare the data type of this function as string and click enter. Now, this is our function. Let's write the code for this function inside this space. Let's copy this function name which we just gave and paste it here, and is equal to right of range, that is right from, we are doing the right function on the range which we just selected, and comma, the number of text we want to extract from the right side is len of range minus cnt. So if the length of a range is apple, it has 5 characters. Apple has 5 characters in it. Now we want to extract 5 minus 3, that is 2 characters from the right side. Now I have closed the parenthesis and I have clicked enter. This is our function. Let's go and see if the function works. So I'll click again on Alt plus F11 and I have come to the worksheet. Now let's go here and type in is equal to remove. Remember the function name which we gave, that is remove chr. The Excel is suggesting us the function here. Let's double click, and the first argument was the text. So let's select the text we want to extract from and put a comma, and now let us enter the number of characters you want to remove. So let's put 3 and let's close the parenthesis and click enter. See, it has removed the first 3 characters from this particular text and given only the remaining one, that is LE. Let's drag this formula down to all the data. As you can see, all the first 3 characters from all the cells have been removed. Now let's see another example. Is equal to remove character, and let's select this text again and let's remove, for example, 6 characters here. So now Apple has only 5 characters and I'm removing 6 characters. So let's see what would happen. Will it be an error or will it work? See, it's an error because it had only 5 letters. Let's go and see what the error is. Now, Apple has only 5 characters in the string. That's why we got an error. Let's drag this formula down and see if everything is an error. No. For example, the third row, it had more than 5 characters. So, we got it as ARE for us. So it removed the first 6 characters and we got the remaining characters. Now America, Chennai, these also worked because it has more than 6 characters in it. Now this is how you can remove certain characters, certain number of characters from a string and get the remaining data. I have posted many other user-defined function examples and videos and basic user-defined functions and all those things. Please check out those videos.